Welcome to the Showerwall Installation Guide, which includes the installation of the Sureseal strip system. As well as watching this guide, make sure you read the instructions that come with the product. You're going to need a handsaw or jigsaw or circular saw, hacksaw, drill, hammer, 1200mm spirit level, sealant gun, suction cups, and a tape measure. Everything else you need is included in the Showerwall installation kits. Always follow the instructions supplied and only use the included items, or you may invalidate the guarantee. Prepare the area where the shower wall panels will be fitted, ensuring the walls are clean, degreased, and free from dirt and dust. Check the walls are flat and plumb with the spirit level. If they are not, treated battens must be used as a fixing method. More details are available on this at www.showerwall.co.uk or refer to your installation instruction leaflet. It is important to check and ensure that the shower tray is also located level using your spirit level. Once the walls are prepared, you can start by measuring the shower tray to determine the lengths of Sureseal strips required. Then insert the Sureseal strip, complete with face capping attached, into the supplied mitre box to cut the required 45-degree internal corner angle, and notch the end to accommodate the internal corner trim with a hacksaw. When both Sureseal strips have been cut and mitred, they can now be placed onto the shower tray to check the mitre cuts and notches match up. With the first strip in position, lightly mark the shower tray with a pencil to define the front edge of the Sureseal strip. This will help as a guide for when you apply the sealant later. Apply an ample bead of shower wall sealant into the underside channel of the Sureseal strip. Making sure the cavity is totally filled with sealant is very important. Lay a straight line of shower wall sealant on the shower tray inside the pencil lines that you previously marked. This will be a guide to the Sureseal strip outer edge. The Sureseal strips should now be placed into position on the shower tray. Use shower wall sealant on the mitered joint to fuse together. Use countersunk screws or nails to secure the Sureseal strips to the wall. Fix the internal corner trim to the wall using shower wall adhesive. It's essential it is straight and plumb, so check using the spirit level. Take measurements for the height and width of the panel required, taking the measurement from the top of nib A on the Sureseal strip to the ceiling. At this point, remove the protective film from the face of the panel and check there are no imperfections or issues with it. If there are any concerns at this point, contact your supplier and advise and clarify those concerns before proceeding. If there are no concerns with the panel, double-check your measurements and then mark the shower wall panel and cut to the correct height and width. You will also need to ensure that any holes required for pipes or shower heads are made at this point, allowing an extra 3mm in size to accommodate a 3mm expansion gap. Place the panel in position to ensure it's the correct size. To confirm a 3mm gap is left at the top edge of the panel and around any cutouts, and to familiarize yourself with how the panel will be placed into the Sureseal strip channel and be slid into the corner trim before adhesive and sealants are applied. Apply a generous bead of shower wall sealant into the end trim and fit it to the left-hand edge of the panel, ensuring that the sealant spreads around the panel edge. Wipe off any excess sealant as required. Apply a generous bead of shower wall sealant into the left-hand channel of the internal corner trim. Run a continuous bead of shower wall sealant into the Sureseal strip channel, filling it completely to the height of the channel. Apply generous amounts of shower wall adhesive to the wall or directly to the panel using lines or zigzags. Install the panels onto the Sureseal strip, ensuring it drops fully into the base channel, and slide it into the internal corner trim profile. The sealant should ooze up and over the top of the Sureseal strip along the full width of the panel. Remove excess sealant from the top edge of the Sureseal strip using the shower wall sealant profiler. Locate the front capping into the Sureseal strip and firmly push it in place along its entire length. There should be multiple audible click sounds as the cap barbs locate into place. When fully located, the top edge of the capping should now be fully flush with the face of the shower wall panel, with no gaps along its top edge visible. There should also be no gaps visible along the bottom edge of the capping where it sits on the shower tray. You can now affix the end cap. Any holes you've made for pipes or shower heads must be fully sealed by applying the shower wall sealant around the fixtures and fittings. Leave for 24 hours for the sealant and adhesive to set, and then it's ready to use. For more details, visit www.showerwall.co.uk.